If you're looking to retire in the Dominican Republic, this condo might be for you. Here what I have and what I'll show you today is this 3-bedroom condo on the 2nd floor of building number 5. And as you can see, we are in the very green part of Sosúa Ocean Village, one of the most popular gated communities here on the north coast of the Dominican Republic. And the price, just $285,000. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the full walkthrough. All right, we are on the 2nd floor of building number 5, and this is unit number 54. We got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and let's begin with the open concept living room. We've got the kitchen with granite countertops and hardwood cabinetry. We've got a new fridge. We've got the living room space with the TV, the dining table. But my favorite part is that it all opens up to lead into this beautiful covered balcony. And what you can see here is where we started the video. The common areas, especially the pool. Each 3 of these buildings have their own common pool. So it's not gonna be used much, it's pretty much for you because we have only 8 units per building. So 6. So only 18 units to use this pool. We are also close to the nicest and greenest area of Sosúa Ocean Village, which is this walkway path, which connects you from Santa Fe, Restaurant Maria, and the Beach Club. Also, the parking is here. We have assigned 1 parking space for the condo. It is right super close to the main entrance. So you are close to the water park, you are close to the paddle courts, you are close to Laguna City, and the new Playa supermarket is probably 3 minutes drive from here. So that is super nice. What we have in front of me, so behind what you can see is the master bedroom. We'll go there in just a minute, but first, let me show you the rest of the condo. It comes turnkey. The owners are using it for the winters. So it is ready to move in. If you want to do some TLC, replace some furniture, you can. But the beautiful thing is that you don't have to. As we walk into the hallway, let me just open this up. You can see that we have the washer, dryer, and an extra freezer with your storage supply for cleaning. We have a linen closet, but more importantly, we have 2 bedrooms that are sharing 1 bathroom. But the owner did one unique thing for the other bedroom, and I'll show you. Importantly, here we have a queen-size bed. We have built-in floor-to-ceiling storage. We have AC in every single room, meaning in the bedrooms and also in the living room. This is the shared full bath, one of the 2 full baths. So this one would be for the bedroom we just visited and the one that we will just see. However, the only 3-bedroom condo that we have here in Sosúa Ocean Village with these, they have added this little door in this 2nd bedroom that we're seeing. So if you want to use the bathroom, the toilet, the washroom, you can either access it directly from the entrance or close it up so that the other bedroom doesn't need to share the toilet with this one. Now, moving into the 3rd bedroom, which is the master, meaning it has its own ensuite bathroom. This is the door to the master. So I enter. Here is the full bathroom. Little turtle. You have your shower, double vanity. Here, unfortunately, I cannot show you, but it is a walk-in closet that's as deep as the bathroom, so it stores a lot of clothes. Right now, the owners use it as owner's storage, and this is where we are in the master bedroom. Connects beautifully to the main balcony. Also has its own little French balcony overlooking the greenery. Today is a very bright, hot day, but it is really nice. It's green. We're getting a little breeze from the ocean. The ocean, I would say, walking distance, depends how fast you walk, 3 to 5 minutes. It's right there. You've got the pool, so it's a beautiful place to be. The really important thing and reason why people like to live in Sosúa Ocean Village is the amenities. Of course, we are in a gated community. We've got backup power, 24/7 security, and not only at all of the entrances, but also little cars that drive around with security guards, making sure that everything is safe and protected. Of course, maintenance of the common areas, the pool. Right now, the HOA fees for a 3-bedroom condo like this one is $407 a month, which is about $40 more than a 3-bedroom villa here in Sosúa Ocean Village. But you don't have to hire a gardener, you don't have to hire a pool guy, and your pool will always be clean, so you're saving yourself about $150 off that. You also have a 50% discount to one of the best gyms here in the area. You have the beach club where you can go for free, and you have some of the other amenities where you have discount or reduced rates for entrance. So that is about the amenities and the maintenance fees. Overall, like I said, this unit, you can just bring your suitcase and move in. If you want to do some upgrades, you're free to do that. But everything is functional. Also, in about the last month, they have finished the new roofs. So all of these buildings have brand new roofing, new facade paint, so everything is brand new on the outside. So if you can see yourself and your family living in this condo, contact me and my team at tom@realtordr.com or 829-633-6776, and I will professionally guide you to make this your reality.